I lost again. I'm always trying to play and I lose. Is there a better way to spend my time? The question is what though? Let me think.
Moments later.
I still got nothing.
More moments later.
Oh wait, I know. I can always call Jenny again. She had some bright ideas about making money online. She might have some more. Let me call her.
1 hour later.
Hey Jenny, what's going on? So glad you picked up.
Oh, hi, Shelly. You seem a bit energetic today. What made you call me at this time?
Ha ha ha. Well, let me tell you, I've just been trying to cheer myself up because I've been playing games all day and I keep losing. So I'm like, you know what? Why not spend my time making money online? And I know you're the best person. So I was going to call you and see what you thought.
Well, you are just in time, as I have a new method ready for you. And with this, you just need your phone, which you just used earlier by playing games.
Wait, what? That easy? How come you ever told me this before?
Well, I was waiting for the right time for it, Shelly.
But hey, Jenny, will I win in this one? Because I just lost a lot that I was playing in games earlier, and I'd like to win when it comes to making money.
Don't worry, Shelly, I got you on this one. Just let me guide you, okay?
Yay, I love it, Jenny. I'm so excited. When can we start?
You are really amazing, Shelly, as you always enjoy these types of methods, and I know you will do with this one as well. Just let me get on my computer and show you every single one of them, okay?
Well, of course you know me, right guys?
I really do.
Ha ha ha. Just tell me if you're ready, Jenny, because I'm ready.
Sure thing, Shelly. See you later.
Great, see ya. Hey friends, I have 8 legit paying apps that actually pay you money. So you can be on your phone playing games and making some money. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, before me and Jenny really get into the good stuff, do me a favor. Have you subscribed to this channel? Because a lot of you are watching, but you're not subscribed. So subscribe and then ring the bell. That way you get notified when I come out with all of these money-making ideas. And that way when you get notified, you can hurry up and get on it before everybody else does. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm sure you already subscribed. So now that you've done that, we can move on. Let's get to the video.
Hi, Shelly. Can you hear me clearly now?
Hi, Jenny. Yes, loud and clear.
Well, are you ready to learn all these 8 applications?
Wow, there are 8 of them? I did not know that, Jenny. Let's get into them.
Yes, Shelly. And I am sure you will love every single one of them. So just follow me, okay?
Yeah, Jenny, I'm really excited. Let's do it.
I know, right? Me as well. Our first app is named Gamee, and it's a fairly unique app in my opinion because it blends arcade game qualities with the aspect of real money. This simply means that depending on the type of giveaway you're trying to enter, you can play games to earn tickets, which you can then use to win real money depending on the number of tickets you can generate for that day, week, or month. Playing games, collecting tickets, and winning real money prizes are just a few of the options available. You might win up to $10,000 per week, spin the fortune wheel, play lucky games, or enter our daily lotto to win quick prizes. They've also given their members a lot of money. This demonstrates that this is a legitimate chance for you. You can also recommend your friends, and signing in every day will earn you a lot of money. The best part is that it's available on both the Apple and Google Play Store, so you can start using it right away. Let me now introduce you to the second application now, Shelly.
Wow, that's so cool and easy, Jenny.
I know, and we are just getting started.
I love it. Let's continue.
Our second application is called cointiply. The main difference with cointiply is that it rewards you with Bitcoin, making it a cryptocurrency-based earning platform unlike the others. It provides a lot of different offers, jobs, and activities for you to complete to earn your crypto, which I like. It also employs a coin-based system, in which you must first accumulate a sufficient number of coins before withdrawing your Bitcoin. As you can see, you may also do online surveys, play games, and do a lot more stuff around here. Sign up, create a new account, and log in to get started. Play games to earn coins. Earn coins by playing mobile and desktop games. Complete task. Completing tasks will help you level up and earn reward points. Complete offers. Increase your daily Bitcoin earnings by completing quick offers. Complete surveys every day to earn thousands of coins by sharing your opinion. Watch videos to earn coins by watching videos. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's proceed to the third application.
Whoa! I can even earn in crypto? I am really enjoying this. I love it how we're being able to make money with different types.
See? I know you do. So, shall we proceed?
Yeah, sorry. I'm just really happy.
I really love it, Shelly. The third application we'll look at is misplay. This is also one of the best ways to make money because you can use it to select games you like and earn prizes for playing a large number of them. You can see how this will pan out in the video below. So, for step 1, discover new games. You'll find a selection of interesting and unique games that have been handpicked just for you. The second phase is play and collect units, which shows that the longer you play and spend your time here, the more you earn. Finally, when you finish all of that, move on to step 3, redeem rewards. So after you accomplish all of the previous steps, you may now redeem your units for awesome rewards. And you can see some of the capabilities of this fantastic software down below. But take a look at this, folks. They've given away over $20 million in rewards, which is a significant sum in my opinion. In the neighborhood, there are also contests where you may win a range of prizes and other benefits. You can also find other reviews here that make me even more enthusiastic about it. So go ahead and get it from the Google Play Store right now. Let's move on to our fourth application now. Shelly, our fourth application is called Cash Alarm. This works by allowing you to make money by taking surveys, completing offers, and playing games. Level completion and a number of other tasks around here will earn you rewards. Cash Alarm is a completely free software to download and use, and it allows you to earn real money by playing games on your smartphone, as we can see right here. Playing free mobile games can earn you money, gift cards, and coupons. Choose from a variety of new and popular games to play every day. Earn coins and trade them in for Amazon gift cards, Google Play gift cards, PlayStation gift cards, Steam gift cards, vouchers, and discounts. Or simply pay out using your PayPal account. Overall, this is a straightforward and efficient program. We can also see that they have a great rating of around 4.3 stars, with over 195,000 total reviews. So go ahead and get it right away. Let me now take you to the fifth application. What do you think so far, Shelly?
Wow, I really loved it, Jenny. How many do we still got to go?
Well, there are 4 more, Shelly. So just hold on, okay?
Amazing. Of course, Jenny, you got it.
Our fifth application is titled Moneywell. This is also an excellent app because there is so much to do in this area. It adds, once you start paying, we track your active time in the game. Throughout the game, you'll collect tickets that you may exchange for gift cards to receive PayPal money, Amazon gift cards, Steam vouchers, PSN cards, Nintendo vouchers, Google Play Store discounts, and iTunes gift cards. Simply play one of our games. Last but not the least, take advantage of a completely ad-free gaming experience. This is also a terrific app because there are a variety of activities you can participate in, and they reward you with a variety of gift cards. With over 260,000 reviews and a rating of around 4.2 stars. You can see that they have a good rating as well. So go ahead and download it from the Google Play Store and start earning money right away. Our sixth application is called Play Karma. This software is also one of the greatest because it contains a vast variety of games. It says right here, play with apps that have been recommended to you to earn cash and gift cards. Play Karma does not require any subscription or purchases. It's quite easy to use and comprehend.
Hey Jenny, this is cool and all, but how does it basically work?
You already cut me off, Shelly. That was about to be my next topic.
Ha ha ha! I'm just excited.
Basically, you open Play Karma and look at the list of apps that have been recommended to you. Then, download and play those games for the specified length of time, after which you will start earning points as you play. That's all there is to it. They also have a positive reputation with over 4,000 reviews and a 4.1 star rating. A few game-related testimonials can also be found farther down. Let me now show you the 7th application. ARC8, our 7th application, will allow you to earn gamee tokens, which are cryptocurrency tokens. If this sounds familiar, it's because it's made by the same people who made gamee, which we discussed earlier in the list. You can earn tokens by competing against other players all over the world, with a real-life money value of around 13 cents per token at the time of this recording. And you can enter tournaments that will reward you with tens, if not hundreds, of these tokens. And if you're not into NFTs, you can actually enter NFT tournaments where you can earn these gaming tokens every single day. And you can view some of the varied and unique games they have for you right here, as well as some extremely positive testimonials about the app with over 97,000 total reviews. They also have a decent rating of roughly 4.1 stars. Overall, this is a terrific piece of software, so go ahead and download it today to get started earning. Now, I'd like to present our last application.
Dang, we're really on our last application? I want more.
Don't worry, Shelly. You can just call me next time, and I will prepare more for you, okay?
Yay! Thanks, Jenny.
Sure thing. And with that, we've reached the final application for this video, known as Cash 'em All. Our most recent software will compensate you for every minute spent playing games or finishing levels. You can earn free gift cards and money by playing free games as specified throughout the application. It's time to advance. And the best part is that you can do it while working for yourself. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, because all you have to do is play, and your efforts will be rewarded. Another fantastic feature of this software, and one of the reasons it is one of the greatest, is how simple and straightforward it is to use. Furthermore, as previously indicated, it is completely free. And as previously stated, you can use the app to pass the time by playing free games, collecting coins, exchanging coins, and winning cash prizes such as Amazon free gift cards, Google Play vouchers, PSN cards, and Steam coupons, or simply cash out with money being transferred directly to your PayPal account. It's that easy, and you can begin making money right away. And we can see down below that they have a high rating of 4.3 stars, with about 760,000 reviews, which you can see down here. And that's it.
Wow, Jenny. Just wow. This is so amazing, I must say. You have really helped me here, and I owe you one.
No problem, Shelly. You know I am always here for you.
I know, right? I'll call you next time again when I have a problem, if that's okay.
You know it, Shelly. See ya on the next one. Bye.
See ya, Jenny. Thanks again. Bye. Hey, friends, did you like that? Come on, making money with apps. It's so freaking cool. You have to admit it. But you know what? That gives you a little bit of money in your pocket. That's great, and that's what we want to do. But I'm here to help you do even way more than that. I mean, like, do you want to quit your job? Like, if you have a 9-to-5 that you hate working for somebody else, the Shelly can actually help you with that. I can actually help you work from home. Or if you'd rather be sitting on a beach sipping a Mai Tai working on your business, then guess what? I'm here to help you. Because you know what? I am a single mom. I got laid off from a senior network engineer job, and now this is what I do full time, and I've done it for 4 years. And all I want to do is I want to help as many people as possible, because I struggled in the beginning of this and I had no idea what I was doing. So I want to help you. All you have to do is put the first link in the bio. Just go click on it and get started, okay? It's fast and easy. And you know what? As a perk, if you put your comment down in the bottom and tag me, be like, hey, Shelly, hold my hand or help me, I will. I will. For free, really. So go ahead and do that, guys. I promise you won't regret it. And you'll come back and thank me, for sure. But if you did like this video, you're gonna like the next one, okay? So I'll go ahead and put it up there too. It's gonna be about more apps, because apps are so freaking cool. And I'll see you in it, because guess what? I'm in it. Go watch it.